Hi, wonderful humans, and welcome to the official AP testing week. I wanted to walk you through some of the suggested practices for this week as well as preparing for the actual test. One of the first suggestions I'm going to give to you is figure out or think about what is the best way for you personally to study and do a lot of those same habits or tasks for this test. Now, if you're somebody who says, well, I don't do anything, I would still suggest that you do something this week. It should not be that you have 3 days off from WHAP and then you decide that on Thursday you are going to take the AP test. A little bit every single day will do wonders. You can join any of our optional review sessions that I have listed. There's one on Monday and Tuesday for content, as well as one on Wednesday to talk about last-minute test-taking tips. This one would probably be really helpful for everyone to go to because it is going to talk a little bit about some of the changes that the College Board has made in terms of submitting. There have been a few problems with students who have not been able to submit their answers, and so what can they do instead? Again, this is a highly suggested one, and it probably will only be about 15-20 minutes. Other things I would suggest is walking through how to submit your answers using the simulation test that is linked here. Again, remember your AP ID is something that will be emailed to you on Tuesday of this week. However, for the practice test, you only need to write the word practice. Other things that you could do is signing up for a 10-minute discussion with me. Again, if you sign up for a 10-minute discussion, you will put your full name, so I know who in the world I'm going to be talking to, as well as anything you'd like to address. So it could be the general overview of writing a DBQ. You could be walking me through you writing a specific DBQ that we have done in the past that I have either given you feedback on or I have not given you feedback on. It could be one aspect of writing the DBQ, like, hey, I'm really struggling with this point still, contextualization, thesis statement, whatever it may be. But you should have a specific area to address. It should not be that you sign up and then you just want to hang out for 10 minutes. Make sure this is a purposeful meeting because there are only 30 spots and I have more than 30 students. With that being said, if I realize by the end of today that I need to add more spots for Tuesday and Wednesday, I can. I just left some other time open for other questions. Another thing I've linked here is my 2020 Mega Doc that I have created. My 2020 Mega Doc is going to give you some helpful tidbits, including sentence stems here. This would be especially helpful for those of you who get stuck when trying to source a document or use some outside evidence. In addition, there's a page about getting prepared, so what are certain things that you would want to do on test day, as well as suggested materials to have. The last thing I have here is a study tool for you. You'll notice that I'm still working on those Quizlet flashcards and linking them, and I didn't realize until somebody emailed me last week that they were still in the old format. So I want to make sure that those are ready and good to go for you. And again, you can use any of this material here to study. Again, attendance is, I'm assuming that you have been doing something all week unless you have ghosted me, in which case you need to reach out. If you have any questions throughout this week, please let me know. But again, remember, this is all suggested, and the ultimate thing is I want you to feel prepared for the test, but also relaxed in time for the test. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye.